Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for a way to stream your favorite movies, TV shows, and even cartoons on your Firestick, then you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you how to install My Family Cinema APK on Firestick step by step. This method works on all Firestick devices, including Firestick 4K, Firestick 4K Max, Fire TV Cube, Firestick Lite, and more. So, let's dive right in. Before we begin, keep in mind that My Family Cinema is a third-party app. Since it's not available on the official Amazon App Store, we need to sideload it onto our Firestick. I always recommend using a reliable VPN while streaming to keep your activity private and secure. Check the link in the description below for my recommended NordVPN service. So, what exactly is My Family Cinema? It's a cloud-based media player that allows you to stream a variety of content, including movies, TV shows, anime, and even kids' content. Think of it like Kodi or Stramio. It doesn't host any content itself, but allows you to add cloud packages that fetch streaming links from the internet. Keep in mind that My Family Cinema is a paid service, but they do offer a 7-day free trial to test it out. Here are some key features of My Family Cinema. Cloud-based media player with an intuitive interface, HD streaming quality, subtitles available in multiple languages, ad-free experience, multi-device compatibility, flexible subscription plans. Since this is a third-party app, safety and legality are common concerns. While we can't verify the legality of all content available through cloud packages, you should only use it to stream content that is in the public domain. To stay on the safe side, always use a VPN while streaming to protect your privacy. The link to my recommended VPN is in the description below. Now, let's get into the installation process. Follow these steps carefully. Step 1. Prepare your Firestick for sideloading. On your Firestick home screen, go to Find Search and type Downloader. Select Downloader from the results and click Download. Once installed, go back to the Firestick home screen and navigate to Settings. My Fire TV Developer Options. Depending on your Firestick model, you'll see one of these options. Install unknown apps. Select it and turn on the toggle for Downloader. Apps from unknown sources, enable this option. Step 2. Install My Family Cinema APK. Open the Downloader app. Click on the URL box and enter https://jarmfcap.net. Click Go, and the APK file will start downloading. Once the download is complete, select Install. When the installation is finished, click Done, then delete the APK file to free up space. Now go back to your Firestick home screen, and you'll find My Family Cinema under your Apps and Channels. To access My Family Cinema, you need a subscription. Here's how to sign up. Open a web browser and go to myfamilycinema.com. NN Plans, My Family Cinema. Click Buy Plan, choose your preferred plan, and proceed with payment. Once done, log into your account on the Firestick app and start streaming. And that's it. You've successfully installed My Family Cinema on your Firestick. Now you can enjoy unlimited streaming right from your device. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on future Firestick guides. Also, for safe and secure streaming, be sure to check out my recommended VPN in the description below. Stay safe and happy streaming. See you in the next video.